Today, AERO Dili has officially announced the launch of 2 international flight routes, marking a significant expansion for Timor-Leste's aviation sector. During a press conference led by AERO Dili's Chief Executive Officer, Mr. Lourenço de Oliveira, the airline revealed it will begin operations direct flights to Darwin, Australia, and Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. The CEO stated that the new routes are part of AERO Dili's strategic commitment to improving regional connectivity, strengthening economic ties, and increasing travel opportunities for passengers travel to and from Timor-Leste. The Darwin route is expected to enhance links between Timor-Leste and Northern Australia, and it will officially make its flight on the month of May, while the Kuala Lumpur connection opens broader access to Southeast Asia and international transit networks and will officially take flight in the month of March. And although international airlines such as Qantas and Batik Air already operates these routes, the CEO states that national and international airlines will not clash or impact one another. Take a look.
We provide this next one, we fly to Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur on 28th on March, maybe two times a week, on Tuesday and Saturday. Maybe I try to make the balance, because as long as in the air service agreement, one country fly to other country, I have to respond. And this way, I try to make the balance and fly again. I'm flying to Kuala Lumpur.
How does AERO Dili ensure flight safety?
Maybe for AERO Dili, safety is number one for our concern. And if AERO Dili can fly to Singapore, can fly to China, can fly to Australia, the safety must be number one in the world, same with the others, okay? This is no comment. Every company has his own program, okay? I don't touch anyone. Anyone have a...
And so AERO Dili emphasized that this expansion reflects growing confidence in the country's aviation market and its role within the region.